पहलगाम हमले पर हिना खान का करारा जवाब। हिना ने अपने सोशल हैंडल पर लिखा, द वे दिस अटैक वॉज कंडक्टेड बाय हार्टलेस इनह्यूमन ब्रेन वॉश्ड टेररिस्ट्स हु क्लेम टू बी मुस्लिम्स इज बियॉन्ड appalling. As a Muslim, I want to apologize to all my fellow Hindus and my fellow Indians. जी हाँ, टेलीविजन की ग्लैमर्स दिवा हिना खान ने पहलगाम में हुए दरिंदगी भरे आतंकी हमले पर दिल को छू लेने वाली पोस्ट शेयर की, जिसमें हर शब्द दर्द, गुस्से और इंसानियत की पुकार से भरा हुआ था। हिना ने लिखा, condemnation, calls of compassion. Nothing means anything if we fail to accept the reality. If we don't accept what really happened, especially as Muslims, everything else is just talk. Simple talk, a couple of tweets and that's it. The way this attack was conducted by heartless, inhuman, brainwashed terrorists who claim to be Muslims is beyond appalling. I can't imagine if a Muslim was forced to revoke his religion at gunpoint and was killed after anyway. It breaks my heart, and as a Muslim I want to apologize to all my fellow Hindus and my fellow Indians. People who lost their lives, heartbroken as an Indian, heartbroken as a Muslim. I can't get over what happened in Pahalgam. It has affected me and my mental health. But it's not about me and it's not my pain. It's the pain of everyone who lost their loved ones. It's the pain every Indian is feeling. I am praying for their strength and peace. I am praying for the souls who we lost. And we must not mince words. I condemn it, I reject it, and I hate those who did it. Wholeheartedly, absolutely, unconditionally. Those who did this can follow any religion. They are not human beings for me. As embarrassed as I am for the act of some Muslims, I pray to my fellow Indians to not alienate all of us. All of us who call India our home and our motherland. If we end up fighting each other, we would be doing what they want us to do, to divide us, to keep us fighting, and we must not let that happen as Indians. And as an Indian, I stand with my nation, our security forces, and I support our country. As an Indian, I believe all religions are safe and sane in my beautiful country. I will support my country's resolve to avenge this unconditionally. No excuses, no questions. Kashmir, I see change. I see an urge to sustain normalcy. I see the pain and loss in the eyes of the regular Kashmiri. I see faith and loyalty for India in the heart of the young Kashmiri. I see a passion to do well and make India proud in the Kashmiri of today. I feel bad for the regular Kashmiri who is battered in all this hate. Relieved to see so many tricolors in the valley from the past few days. I appreciate the chance of love for India. I hope this continues forever. As a Kashmiri Indian, I appreciate how they positively support Kashmiri spirit of brotherhood, how they want to get out of this vicious cycle of hate and grow in life. I ask my fellow Kashmiris to extend this spirit and bring back our brothers and sisters from the Kashmiri Pandit community. Will you accept it? I do, wholeheartedly. My first vote, I wish that you not just support it but facilitate it. You proved that tourism was never a cultural invasion. It is in fact the source of livelihood of many Kashmiri houses. Now it's time we Kashmiris bring back our Kashmir where a Kashmiri Pandit lived like a family with their fellow Kashmiri Muslims. I believe in coexistence, period. Lastly, I want justice as an Indian, as a Muslim and as a human being. We all must come together and support India in these testing times. Let's not give them what they want. We must come together as one people. No politics, no divisions, no hate, no matter what. We are Indians first. Jai Hind. हिना ने अपने पोस्ट में साफ कहा कि अगर हम हिंदू मुसलमान बनकर आपस में लड़ने लगे तो यह उन्हीं दरिंदों की जीत होगी जो हमें बांटना चाहते हैं। इसी के साथ हिना ने अपील की कि मैं सबसे गुजारिश करती हूँ, हमें एक दूसरे से नहीं उन दुश्मनों से लड़ना है। आपस में मत लड़िए वरना इनके इरादे कामयाब हो जाएंगे। खास बात यह है कि हिना इस समय ब्रेस्ट कैंसर के तीसरे चरण से बहादुरी से लड़ रही हैं, लेकिन फिर भी उन्होंने नफरत के खिलाफ आवाज उठाने में कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ी। वही अपनी हालिया कश्मीर यात्रा के बाद उन्होंने फैंस के लिए लिखा, ऑल दोज हु वर रियली कंसर्न्ड अबाउट माई वेयरअबाउट्स, आई एम सेफ एंड बैक। हिना की इस पोस्ट को देख फैंस कर रहे हैं अपने प्यार की बरसात। यही वजह है कि हिना का ये पोस्ट सोशल मीडिया पर हो रहा है वायरल।